The people we serve want three main things from us. Point number one, product or service with no defect. For example, if you buy a water bottle, they want it should be intact, shouldn't be leaking, the wrapper shouldn't be torn, and it shouldn't be scorched. Number two, timeliness. No matter how good your food, taste, or presentation is, if it doesn't reach on time, if it takes 40 minutes, the charm for the thing is already been gone. Number three, they want the people they're dealing with to be nice to them. What we mean by that you should be caring. You should be carrying that attitude, that behavior towards them, that you are happy that they are there. You are happy that they are giving that business to us. You are happy to be at service. And the moment you can do these three things, you are already on your way to create excellence at your work, no matter what business, trade, or entity you are in. And the moment you can do this, there are two more things to be added on to it furthermore. And the number one, individualization. Now, individualization, let's understand this, that how about if you want to have a sandwich, but people are offering you the choice to use or maybe to choose your own toppings, like Subway gives you that. And the second one is personalization. Now, there is nothing more personalized element than calling somebody by calling them with their names. There should not be a account number or maybe a room number for somebody to identify, and they'll be more than happy to do that. And the moment you can do that, you are on your way to create excellence at your work. Thank you.